Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to zoom out in Autodesk 3ds Max. I'm going to show you multiple ways. All right, so first up right here, you can go ahead and use the scroll wheel of your mouse. So scroll down if you want to zoom out, scroll up if you want to zoom in. All right. Another option right here, if you want a smooth zoom, okay, you can just go ahead and press Control plus Alt. Again, Control plus Alt. Then hold down the middle mouse or the scroll wheel. Hold it. Now you'll have this specific object right here, an icon. Now you can go ahead and drag down your mouse to zoom out. As you can see, it's pretty nice and controlled. Now to zoom in, just move your mouse upwards, just like so. Now to make it simple, you can go ahead and hold Control. Okay, make sure that you activate the zoom key right here or zoom tool. Now hold Control, click and hold on an object or area. Now you can go ahead and use your mouse as well. Move it up or move it down. Now to zoom out, move it down. As you can see, it's pretty fast. Now, if you want a more controlled zooming, you can hold Alt or the Alt key on your keyboard. Hold it. And again, make sure that the zoom tool is active. Now, left click on any area, or it could be an object. Now just move in while holding. All right, as you can see, it's slow and controlled. That's how simple it is to zoom out in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.